Hello everyone, it's Snady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you gorgeous people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. Oh, my little mouth-watering milkshakes, how you doing today? I hope wherever you're at in the world, you're having a fantastic day so far. I myself am doing wonderful. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna take Ron for a run. I'm so excited. But before I hop into my too tight running shorts, I do want to unbox this little baby. For those of you who might be new to BoxyCharm, this is a $25 a month service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items that can range from skincare to makeup. Unfortunately, they haven't added lube or sex toys to it, but I'm still waiting. Shit, I lost my place. My friend called and I don't remember what I was talking about. Obviously, it was BoxyCharm related. I don't know. I've been unboxing these for like 3 years. They do send this to me to review for you at no charge, but I never sugarcoat anything. Like, if we get something in here that I don't like, you are always the first to know. I don't think I've ever been pissed off at like a full box. Yes, I do get a couple items like nail polish that I know I won't use, but for the most part, they have added some really good items to my makeup and skincare collection, like some bougie shit. I honestly can't think of a big brand that hasn't been in here, so if you're interested in adding to your collection and maybe trying new things for a discount, then definitely check them out. If at any point throughout this video, or I guess just life in general, you would like to become a BoxyCharmer, they did provide me with a code down below. I'll link it to you, but do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, but I'm so appreciative for anybody that does, so thank you. And if you're really not sure if you do want this, just go on like their Instagram or their social media. They always show previous boxes, and oftentimes they give spoilers for this month. Like, I think the CEO was just on Instagram Live unboxing this month's box, so you can kind of see if it's something that would pique your interest. Let's go ahead and open this little bitch up. Usually on the top, they always include a card that has some random ass theme on it that really doesn't pertain to anything in the box, but they try. This month's theme is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. Okay. My eyes just go straight for the s'mores because yum. Well, s'more dick. Anyways, on the back is the pricing for everything that we're gonna get in this box. I do not want any spoilers, so I'm not even gonna take a peek at that. And this month is kind of heavy, but for the first time, they actually asked me like what my skin tone is and like what kind of products I want. So I have no clue what kind of shit we get. Finally, some lube. QMS Medio Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Oh, it's tinted, so maybe this is why they asked me my skin color. Let me see what kind of tint we're looking at. Oh my, okay. Well, actually, it's not like too far off, so that's kind of fun. Oh, and it smells like castor oil and sunscreen. Let's see, this is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. It blurs imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. And apparently it's perfect for all skin types and tones. Cool shit. I'm curious to see how much this is. It's probably like $100. They always have like the most ridiculous pricing. Like, we'll get one brush that's like $80. I mean, we only pay $25 for the damn box, so who really cares? But sometimes, honestly, it's a little bit laughable. Next, what do we have? I really don't even know. Ooh, some Morphe brushes. Is this the 433? I love that brush. 4 brushes for a little pick-me-up. Oh, that's cute. You get an oval brush, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, an angled liner brush, and I guess that's all. I actually do like Morphe brushes. They're very, very affordable. Not all of them are the best, though. Like, some of them are super scratchy, and you can just tell that they're shittily made. My eyes instantly drawn towards this because I love a good blending crease brush. Oh, this looks like it might be real hair. I can't tell. Maybe it's not. I don't know. They don't say anywhere what these are made out of. But we have a nice, very basic little angled brush, a nice brush to maybe cut a crease with. We have a little blender and a nice big crease brush. Very nice. Not the softest things in the world, but they do feel like they'd get the job done. So I'm excited to use those. Maybe that means we're gonna get an eyeshadow palette today. Anyways, moving on, we have something flat. Is it edible underwear finally? Every week I just hope for it. Oh no, this is Milk Makeup. What? Cooling water eye patches. Chill your tired ass under eyes the fuck out with cooling depuffing gel patches packed with caffeine and seawater. I may have added a few words in there just to spice it up, but that sounds fun. I might have to do like one of those nose strips in this tonight. Gracefully moving on, we have a few more products. What is this? A car vibrator? No, but big fat liner. Ooh, a kohl marker pen. I don't think I've ever heard of. Oh my god, I've never heard of a product like that. It could be totally common. I don't know. And Oh, okay, so it's just like a felt tip marker liner, but does it smudge? Because usually kohl pencils smudge. Oh, that is incredibly black and pigmented. Fuck. Oh no, that does not smudge. That bitch is down for the count. I'm really stoked to use this. I love liners so much. Like, every look I create has to have a wing. It just completes me. Eyeliner is the Sandy to my Danny. It's just the one that I love. My longtime and current fave eyeliner that we've actually gotten in BoxyCharm is by Hank and Henry, the Slick With It liner. It's so precise and detailed, like, oh my god. So I'll be curious to know if this even stands up to it. It doesn't come in a box and there's no information on it, so we'll have to read the rest of it on the card, and let's move on. I believe we have one more item, which kind of feels like an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, a nude-ass shadow palette. This is Teddy Boy. Indulge in a little rebellious decadence with this high-fashion 9-piece eyeshadow palette that pays homage to the Teddy Boys of the 1950s British underground. I love this color blue. Like, I want walls that color, like a velvet couch or some shit. And they have the colors of it on the back. It's very, very neutral. Oh, that is very cute packaging. It's like book style, like, oh. It's very, very bluish gray tone. I've not really seen many palettes that are like that. It's very cool, literally. That's gonna be very fun to do a look with later. Plus, it's Butter London, and typically they do have pretty good products. Let me just go ahead and swatch a few of these. Oh my god, this packaging is kind of getting annoying. Okay, there we go. Let's swatch this light one. Oh, that feels very nice. Damn. I really want to try this blue one and, I don't know, Archie. Okay, those seem pretty decent so far. There's that one. Wow. There's that, and there's that. These are very decent quality, at least with swatches. They could be shit on the eyes, but so far, this is not bad at all. I'm not exactly certain what kind of variations for eyeshadow palettes there are, because not everybody is going to want a cool toned eyeshadow palette, and I can't remember if the little test that I took before they sent this mentioned anything about wanting cool or warm tones. So please, if you get BoxyCharm, let me know down in the comments below what palette you got. So I'm actually going to go with my gal pal to go look at an apartment, but before I do that, let's look over everything and see how much everything came to, and then later we can do a look. The QMS Medi Cosmetics, what was that? That was this. Retails for $105. What the literal shit, man. $105? This better turn me into Jake Gyllenhaal. This basically says the same thing that the back did. A lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. It helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of skin perfecting, light tint, and hydrating formulas makes this an ideal day cream. $105 though, that is a little bit redonkadonk. Although last month we did get like a skin buffing thing that was recommended to me yesterday by an Ulta employee, and I was like, oh my god, I already have that. And it was like 40 bucks, like fuck. Moving on, the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette retails for $28. I mean, for Butter London, that's really not even that bad, especially because you do get quite a few shadows-ish. You get shadows. But that is a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool-toned, neutral shades. We love a versatile bitch. You can create an array of looks with a matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small and easy-to-carry mirrored compact. Breathe. Next up is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches, which retail for $22 for 6 of these. I guess that only makes them like $3.60 a piece, so that's really not that bad. These cooling and depuffing gel patches are packed with energizing caffeine and soothing seawater. Depuffing, oh my god, I'm just gonna put these all over my nips and tummy. Not that I have puffy nips, I just like to put things on them. Then the Morphe I Got brush set is $12, so like $3 per brush. That's pretty decent. This says, oh, these babes, just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all of the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. The collection includes oval eyeshadow brush, pro firming blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. Then we have the Rockins Cosmetics Big Fat Liner, which retails for $25. If it's a good liner, that's not that bad of a price. Always start your eye look with your Big Fat Liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. I don't think I've ever started any look with liner, but we'll definitely end my look with a good note. I'm so pumped to use this. I'm probably not going to get to use these in today's video, so make sure you follow me on social media. I'm always posting on my Instagram story about the products that I do get in BoxyCharm. You'll probably see me with a glass of wine, a big fatty, and this shit smeared on my face. So if we were to add up everything that we got in today's box, it's over $190. I don't think we've ever had a box that's been that high. Woo, fuck. I'm sneezing with excitement. Oh, do we have another one? We do. Fuck Fuck me. Bless this hot mess. All right, lovebirds, I will see you in just a second. We will be back to do a look with this. And we are back, same ho, different day. Let's go ahead and hop into a look. So to prime, I'm gonna go in with No Problem Primer. Then for foundation, I'm gonna hit up this little bitch, which is by Uma Butete. And today I'm gonna try something different and use it with a brush. Oh my god, this is so pale on me. So okay, today I'll put the ass in Casper. I forgot that this is one of those foundations that doesn't really blend out in the beard because it's so thick, but oh my god, it's still one of my all-time faves. But if you see any little missing patches, do what I do and just ignore it. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Bare Minerals Bare Skin. And then to set under my eyes, I'm taking this Milani Pressed Powder Foundation. And then I'm gonna take a little bit in a deeper shade to set the rest of my face. Then to prime my eyeballs, I'm gonna take some Gerard Cosmetics Colleen Canvas. Alright, so let's go ahead and dip into this palette. I think I'm gonna start with this more fluffier brush, and let's dip into this base shade Nigel. Oh, and they do give you kind of a little tiny baby mirror right there. I'll try to use it. It's kind of small. Normally I don't allow small things this close to my face, but I'll make an exception. I'm just gonna take this and kind of set it along the crease to help highlight my brow. I know I always say, oh, today I'm gonna create such an easy, simple look, and then 40 steps later I'm all glammed up, but today I actually am gonna create a simple look. Next, all up on the crease line, I'm gonna put some Simon. We'll start here on the outer corner and kind of work it into the socket, little tiny baby circular motions. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Not the most pigmented shadow in the world, but it still is laying down and it seems to be blending out. Ooh, I like this. Just gonna keep buffing it around my eye. I just noticed that there's a deeper gray in here, so I think I kind of want to go in with that. And then just so that this doesn't turn into a gray fucking muddy mess, I'm gonna go ahead and color switch this brush so that it's basically clean. And let's dip into this gray, which is called Freddy. And I'm gonna start with that right here on the outer corner and start to stipple it into the eye socket. Oh god, that feels great. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. I really haven't worked with too many gray cool tones, so this is kind of fun. Then once it seems like pretty much everything is off of the brush, I'm just gonna go in very, very light feather motions and just kind of swirl it around. Really try to buff that shit out so it makes a soft transition. Oh my gosh, I'm a sniffly whore today. I love being outside, but holy god, those allergies are real. Normally I don't mind allergies, but like right now, the moment you sniffle and you're by somebody, they're like, like I promise it's just allergies. I know I say this all the fucking time, but damn, this feels good. There's just something about stroking it on the eye that's almost orgasmic. Then with this smaller little domed brush, I'm gonna dip into Rupert. In that shade, we are going to put right here on the outer corner and just swirl him around. You go, Rupert. You are a sassy boy. And once again, I'm gonna really press that into the eye socket so that it creates a little bit of depth. That shade is, though, the slightest bit patchy. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit more on this bigger fluffy brush and just smoke this outer corner out. I love a smoky moment. Then with my finger, I'm gonna dip right into Archie, and I'm just gonna press that right onto the lid. Ooh, I like that. This would probably apply a lot better going onto something sticky, but it's still laying down and like it's not all coming down onto my under eye. Then on the lower lash, I'm gonna take a little bit more Rupert, and I'm just gonna blend that out right up next to the lashes and then slowly bring it down lower. And we'll give this little beast a color switch. And then I'll blend that black out with a little bit of cement. No, that definitely says Simon. Whatever, I like my name version better. And then I'm gonna take this little angled brush and dip back into Rupert, and I'm gonna go in between the lashes with that, kind of like as a faux liner. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Pop Lux Black Ice right on my finger and press it to the inner corner just to add a little pop of highlight. And now for the part I'm most excited about, the liner. Normally I do this part off camera, so I'm all scared to do it for an audience. Alright, here we go. Whippy dippy. Oh my. Okay, so already I can tell it's not quite as precise as the one I normally use, but we will make this work. It's almost like hard. Okay. It's just a little applicator. Like the formula seems great, but it's not the easiest to apply. You know, I think I'm gonna have to give this up. This probably would work maybe on the lower lash. I guess we could try that. Just gonna rub it in between the lashes, kind of like what oh god, fuck. Oh my god, I got a little teeny tiny dot right where it shouldn't be. Okay, I'm not using this. Maybe I used it wrong. Maybe you're not supposed to use it as like an upper eyeliner, but this is what I normally, oh god, that's blue. This is what I normally use, and it makes liner so fucking easy. Let's see if I can try to fix this. Oh my god. Okay, well, today we have an Amy Winehouse wing. That's fine. And here we are with the final look. For lips, I went in with ColourPop's Petit Four and Marshmallow. Oh my god, this blush was not a good choice. It does not complement this look, but otherwise, I really like this. This palette, I actually kind of fucking love it. I'm really not used to working with grays or cool tones, so it was a little bit difficult for me, but I could see myself fucking with this a lot in the future. What I didn't like, though, was this guy right here. It just seemed really fucking dry. Maybe I used it incorrectly, but it's like the formula is great, but the felt applicator is super dry, so maybe I just need to store it like that so it can get some juices down to its little tip. The brushes that I did use performed great. I probably should have cut my crease today because this would have been the perfect brush to do it, but we'll save it for next time. And I think that's all I used because these two skincare items I'll use later. I really like this box. I didn't love it because that eyeliner for me was kind of a dud, but for the most part, everything we got I'll use. So I am a deeply satisfied bitch. This is kind of a cool look. I like it. Love wearing makeup looks for 2 minutes and then going and wiping them off. Anyways, there you go. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it. I'm just saying, and thank you, my loves. And don't forget, I did start a second channel called PopLux Live where I will be streaming. Make sure to pop your titties over there if you want to join the live family. And if you'd like to support me and my channel a little bit more, please feel free to join us on Patreon. It's patreon.com/poplux. There you get videos a day early, you get Patreon-only content, plus, best part, it is sassy, fabulous, and cheap, just like me. And like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplux.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepoplux.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!